Okay, good morning. Day two.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had a lovely night at the Gamkapag Nature Reserve.
Yeah.
And it's always nice to spend a night there or two. We've got beautiful camps, the facilities are awesome.
Nice hikes.
And nice hikes, although this time we didn't hike.
No, we got in too late. We got in like about 5.
And
yeah,
we got in late because we did some back roads, some that I've never done before, which was amazing, incredible. Yeah, so you can have little mini adventures within the Karoo region. Obviously the well-known spots are like Die Hel and Swartberg Pass, but we ended up finding a beautiful back road through farms, ridge riding on one of the hills, fantastic views left and right, and yeah, then over the Roeberg Pass, and yeah, it's just pretty. And because we had incredible rains, and the vegetation is just lush, it's full, and there's birds, and it's a fantastic time to be out. So today we're heading in the direction of Baviaanskloof. We don't know whether we're going to get there today, but that is definitely a goal. And yeah, we'll see where we camp. We don't know where we're camping tonight. It's always a bit of a surprise and a mystery. So
and an adventure. It's nice. It's nice not knowing sometimes.
It's better not knowing sometimes. Yeah. So yeah, let's see where we end up.
Yep. We'll keep you updated as we go.
Okay. See you later. Today will be a good day. We fire up the trusty diesel engine without a splutter. As the wheels turn, the essence of freedom envelops us once more, and the intoxicating feeling becomes addictive. The road trip is a fluid continuum of time, a perpetual dance between the past, present, and future. With each passing stretch of gravel road, we drift further from our starting point, leaving the city's hustle behind, as new horizons beckon us. Join us as we navigate this transient realm, where the allure of freedom is not just a destination, it's the very essence of the journey itself. are now in the Baviaanskloof. We just entered. We turned right just before Willowmore, and yeah, it's beautiful. Really, really stunning weather. Not too hot outside. I would say what, about 27 degrees. 27 degrees. It was meant to go up to 30 today, so I don't know if it's still going to do that.
Corrugations aren't too bad.
Yeah, the roads have been graded relatively.
Tire pressure?
Yeah, dropped the tire pressure, and yeah, let's see. Just enjoying being in the Baviaanskloof. Anything you want to say?
Not right now.
Jeez, that's a nice change.
You should try it sometimes, darling.
You're saving yourself for later then.
Yeah.
All right. Nestled within the Eastern Cape of South Africa, the Baviaanskloof wilderness stretches over 200 kilometers. This pristine area is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is renowned for its biodiversity and rugged beauty. The region boasts an impressive variety of plant species, from indigenous fynbos to unique succulents, creating a botanical paradise. A network of rivers weave through the landscape, contributing to the region's rich ecosystem. It is home to an array of wildlife, including kudu, baboons, Cape buffalo, and a host of bird species. We immerse ourselves in this untouched realm, where every corner unveils a story of resilience, diversity, and the raw beauty.
Hold on, before you get sidetracked here. Come into the shade of it. What's happening?
So we found a secret spot, and this is the thing about wild camping.
You've got to
Now
keep
you
it a
know
secret.
we're in the Baviaanskloof, but I think the joy of it all is trying to sniffle it out. And I think we just found a really, really cool spot. Listen to that water.
Prime location.
Prime location. There's a little kloof.
I'd say we scored a luck. There
Yeah?
was a little bit of a drama before this, so we deserve some good luck.
We won't talk about the drone.
He doesn't want to drone on about the drone. We'll have to tell you later. We're going to break it up in bits. He's still feeling the pain, the burn.
river, camp, mountains. We get lucky and find the perfect wild camp on the banks of a crystal clear stream. This is the Baviaans we have been looking for. And remember, if you like this channel, what do you have to do?
You have to like and
Subscribe.
please.
Please.
We value your subscriptions. And
We feel the
support.
love, and it's a free way to support us.